project is DTMF based password protection for doors and lockers. Here Arduino functions are Arduino and its daughter board along with power supply 16x2 LCD display. DTMF module MT8870 connected to Arduino digital pins. Door lock controlled by relay which is connected to Arduino digital pin. Here buzzer connected to Arduino digital pin. Now power on this. Mobile phone should connect to DTMF module through audio cable. Here we can control door lock in two ways. In first way, we have to do call to connect the mobile and press respective buttons. You have to accept call. Open the keypad. Here we can unlock locker using password. Here password is 1234. 1 2 3 4. If password is correct, then magnet lock will be open and close after 5 seconds. If password is wrong, then buzzer will be on. For example, password is 1235. Wrong password. Now disconnect the call. In the second way, we have to install DTMF app, which is shown in above icon. Now we have to open the app. DTMF Tone app. In app, we have to press buttons. Password is 1234. Again we have to enter the wrong password, then buzzer will on. For example, 1236. Here, few mobiles not support to DTMF, but most of the mobiles support to DTMF app. While connecting DTMF cable, make sure that it should be very tight.